and put your hand on the steering wheel for me. Go ahead and put your hand on the steering wheel for me. So go ahead and put your hand on the steering wheel.
Encouraging music all weekend. K-Love.
There's been so many times I got it so cold and I got it just right. I've seen the view from the top of the world and the sorrow by the bitter graveside. I've seen some
River, shots fired.
but there's never been a moment that you let me go.
Last unit.
Go ahead and put your hand on the steering wheel for me. Go ahead and put your hand on the steering wheel for me. So go ahead and put your hand on the steering wheel. What's going on? The reason why you don't have your seatbelt on?
It was.
Huh?
It was.
It was. You got the driver's license? Can you roll down the back window? What's going on, bud? Good, good. You got the driver's license on you too? Okay, you're not wearing your seatbelt. Do you have any ID on you? Go ahead and put the car in park so they don't park. Where are you guys headed? What is it? Do you have a social? What is it? Three, 4, for shots fired. 4, for shots fired.
Careful with your 20.
Right at the airport.
3-4, 1064.
No bleeding. Shot in the leg. Shot in the leg.
10-4. Billy, start EMS. Did you get a description of the vehicle? Or what they had on?
10-4, Sam Ross subject.
Yes.
Just get back. Get back. Ah. Just get back. Ah. Ah. Yeah. 3-4. Help, please.
3-4, go ahead.
What are you going to do?
Bleeding on the leg.
Tourniquet?
Yes, please.
Oh my God, are you okay?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Here.
3-4, you're not coming out.
Bleeding on the leg.
Here.
Shot in the leg.
Here. What do I do? What do I do? You know what? Just tell me what to do.
Yeah.
Turn it tight.
3-4,
Yes.
10 on.
Bleeding on the leg.
Oh my God. Is that time? It's not time enough, is it?
Did you get a description of what the male was wearing and what directions he fled?
Towards the airport.
Here. Oh my God.
10-4 towards the airport.
Here.
2-4, then around to you.
Oh my God.
Bleeding. Get some water, please. Shot in the leg.
Oh my God.
What do you need, buddy? 911?
Yeah.
Somebody call?
Somebody, yeah. We need a better tourniquet. Do you have a tourniquet on you? Do you have a tourniquet on you?
I got another belt.
You got another belt?
Yeah.
I'm not, because I don't have this one good.
Is that the only place you were shot?
Yes, I think so.
Frank for 304.
You got that water?
Are you
Is help on the way?
Yeah.
911 called. He's got a tourniquet on it. He just got one bullet.
Yes.
We saw pulling out the
Yes.
wrong way. You went there?
He almost hit us too.
More water?
Yeah.
This is the fresh.
Okay.
I just opened it.
911's already been called.
Is that the guy in the black truck? He almost hit us, dude. I was like, what is this guy doing?
If I'd have been 15 seconds earlier, he'd have knocked me right
Okay.
off my bike.
Did he
Frank
shoot
for
you?
304.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Is the belt around his leg?
It's not good. I don't have it on here. I've got it on as tight as I can twist it, but he needs another tourniquet.
Do you have a belt?
Yeah.
We can
Yeah,
tighten Yeah.
Get up higher as high as you can.
All right, dude.
Okay. Pull your leg this way so they can get through there.
I'm sorry, man.
304.
Water.
Hey,
got any more water?
Drink it all.
Yeah, just trying to keep the sun off of him. Here, second. Is that good?
Where is
I don't know if I can get any tighter
Here,
or not.
shit, lean up against me.
Where you go to that?
Over here.
No, we might just have to hold it.
Where is the shot? Right here?
Down here. Where Tyler's hand is.
Did it go all the way through?
I don't know. Yeah.
Would you like for me to do that?
Yep, it might be easier for you. I'm just trying to stand behind him so he has something to lean up against.
Josh,
wanna
you
get
good?
some more? You okay? Stay with us.
We're sorry.
Stay with us. Stay with us.
You're alright.
Stay awake.
We're almost
Where
here.
the hell is 911?
I hear sirens.
You ready for more? Just stay with us. You want me to pour it on your head a little bit? Yeah?
Right.
Sorry, man.
No, you're fine. I'm just trying to keep his head up.
What happened here anyway? The vest?
You need the vest off?
I don't even
You alright? Yeah. So what's your name?
We're sorry about this.
Who shot you, Bob?
Is that guy in the...
The guy in the black truck that just got hit us going out.
Hey, stay with us.
He's gone.
You
Just stay
okay?
away.
Stay with
More
me.
water on your head?
You got it.
Anybody got any more water in their vehicle?
Where is?
water, baby?
You guys see an ambulance coming?
I heard them, but I'm sorry, man. You just tell me what to do.
You
You
okay?
ready for another drink?
Look at me. You married?
No,
No? Got a girlfriend? Any kids?
Yes.
Yeah? How many? How many kids you got? Huh?
One.
What's her name?
We're in.
Brianne?
Yeah. Where are you shot at, Hoss? In the leg. In the leg?
One in the leg.
10-4
Ready for a drink?
What's your unit number? 304. 204? 304.
304.
Unit number 304, go ahead. You get the airport locked down?
The truck went that way. It was a black Ford pickup. It was a newer.
It was a Dodge.
Was it Dodge?
Ram,
I don't know. He just about hit us. We had to swerve over to. I was like,
304 radio. You can switch to B. All units need to be on B per 204.
We need an ambulance like now.
you ready for another drink? You talk to me.
They're coming.
What was you trying to stop him for, boss?
Warrants.
That's
So they at least have the plate number, right?
12B, 12B.
It's my truck. It was a friend of mine asked for a ride, and when the cop got behind me, he told me to run. I said, I'm not going to run, man. Wow.
So it's your truck.
Yeah.
Oh, that's great.
Step back over here for
Okay.
me.
Can you hold this?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Sorry, man.
Tighten this up.
We're good. Right? Yeah.
Ready for another drink?
I think
I try to get somebody to get some more water up here.
Do you have water? He needs water.
Where did Josh go? And why is he not in the car beside him?
He's walking with her. She was crying.
Oh,
She
okay.
didn't want that. You want it on your head?
Yeah.
Anybody got a napkin? Wipe his face off a little bit.
So you got a tourniquet on?
Yeah, we got two.
We got a hell.
As best as we could do. If you got something better, then he shot right here.
You okay?
So
how'd you get shot?
this guy right here has all the
I'll
info.
lean back a little bit.
Huh? Lean back?
Lean back.
Just don't go out on us.
Is that good?
Okay.
You want to go up a little bit more? Or
The guy that was in the blue shirt, talk to him. He can give you all the info. Where you wanted that? Put it right down here.
Yeah, because I was telling you shit to do.
Stay with me, dude.
Stay up. Hey, water.
But I was terrified.
Could you let me know if you need ambulance?
You okay?
Yeah.
I'm going to need everybody here. This is going to be a state trooper that's been shot.
He said he would pull the guy over for warrants. This guy over here in the blue shirt, I think it might have been his truck. And when he got behind him, the guy tells him to run. And he's like, no, I'm not running. So he gets out of the truck and the other guy steals his truck, I think.
Okay.
Yeah. But he knows everything.
We come up, the truck almost hit us coming
All right,
up.
sir,
We
this
come up.
is going to hurt on your leg.
This guy's over there laying in the grass.
Let's see this here.
Or hold. Is it shot
I'll
more
lean
than
back a
once?
little bit.
Yep. How far back is he allowed to go? Can he go all the way down?
He can lay all the way down.
Okay.
You pour it on your forehead? Just don't go out on the side, brother.
She's just going to be right up in the corner. Operation's going to be right up in the corner.
I won't put it in your eyes or your nose or nothing like that. Can you give me?
More water.
I
don't know if it's cool, but-
Can we pour it in there?
11:44.
Okay.
You ready for it? You want a drink or no? Here's small.
Let Richmond know that they are going the wrong way. It's going to be at the airport. I need them at the airport.
You want another shot?
Oh, yes.
You need more? Yeah. I'm going to pour it across your forehead and you go back, okay? Cool you off a little bit. I'm going to pour it on your neck a little bit. Is that good?
Yeah.
The shooter is here at the airport. We have measured
Take the
along the
belt
way.
off.
I'm afraid to. These guys out here, as soon as they
I'm
step
seeing
in,
them all past the airport. They're